Hi guys, today I received this box from Yasmin from Bella Aura, this Canadian company, and I am very exciting. I am in a partner with this company, and this not makeup because you know me, I don't use makeup. This is skincare, and you know maybe after when I use it, I now I am 61, maybe I will be 59 or 58. Maybe, I don't know. Okay guys, now I need to open the box and I need to see what inside. Wow, very nice. Oh, thank you Yasmin from Bella Aura. Nice card. Oh my god, very nice. And now I need to see here. Oh, very nice. Very nice. Oh, like these chefs like Bamba. Oh, very nice.
What is that one?
1 minute, I need to see. I didn't see. Aurora, not Aurora, Bella Aura. Oh, this bag. Wow, you know, very elegant and very nice. And يعني إشي مرتب. إشي very nice. Oh, this bag. What here in the bag? Oh, very nice. أبصر إيش هذا بالباج.
This is right here.
What this?
It's a face massager.
Oh, face
It's a
massager.
gravity reverse.
Oh, like this.
Yeah.
Up and down and south and east. Like this. East and south. Oh, very nice. What this?
That's
This for the phone.
For the phone, yeah.
Oh, wow. And this for the car. My car. This is Mama Hamo.
You don't have a car.
No, this is my car. Oh, a lot of stuff here. Very cream for skin care. Very nice. Wow. Bella Aura. Easy name. For that I know it. Now I know. Oh, thank you. Oh, very nice.
That's a moisturizer.
Yes, moisturizer. And this, what this? Cleaner? High clearance. Clean the face.
Purified.
Yeah, and this like snow. No, not snow. Like Snow White, and in this orange, this will be Bamba. Guys, now look this, very nice. And this moisturizer, I don't know what this.
Instant lifting eye contour.
In the standing. And this anti-dentist. Anti-dentist, I don't know.
Antioxidant.
Anti-hastist. And this, I didn't see this here. The clearance? No, not the clearance. For skin. You see my skin now? When I use it, very nice, different. Look. Very nice. And this daily moisturizer. Okay guys, look this all the product from Yasmin Bella Aura company. I am very exciting when I use it, and maybe I will be younger, 58, 59. Maybe after I am not will be Mama Hamo. Maybe I will be just Hamo. Yes, I don't know, maybe. And very nice product, and this very good يعني like natural for the skincare. And when I start to use it, I make the video, you look and watch me, and you see the difference between now and after, before and after. Thank you guys.